What are the tolerance limit values in abrasive water jet machining? A 0.01 mm, B 0.03 mm, C 0.05 mm, D 0.07 mm. The correct answer is 0.05 mm. In AJM, surface roughness value will vary between which values? A 0.01 0.10 m, B 0.15 1.5 m, C 2.05 0.0 m, D 7.0 10.0 m. The correct answer is 0.15 1.5 m. Which of the following values does the diameter of the nozzle lies between? A 0.01 0.10 mm, B 0.30 0.50 mm, C 0.70 0.90 mm, D 1.10 1.50 mm. The correct answer is 0.30 0.50 mm. What is the life of tungsten carbide material nozzle? A 18 HRS, B 25 HRS, C 1015 HRS, D 2540 HRS. The correct answer is 1015 HRS. What must be the velocity of the carrier gas that carries the abrasive particles? A 1050 ms, B 50-150 ms, C 150 300 ms, D 300-500 ms. The correct answer is 150 300 ms. What is the value of carrier gas flow rate in abrasive jet machining? A 6 Lmin, B 17 Lmin, C 28 Lmin, D 39 Lmin. The correct answer is 28 Lmin. What is the value of abrasive grain flow rate in abrasive jet machining? A 0.12 G min, B 320 G min, C 3056 G min, D 6885 G min. The correct answer is 320 G min. In AJM, what is the life of synthetic sapphire material nozzle? A 100 HRS, B 300 HRS, C 500 HRS, D 700 HRS. The correct answer is 300 HRS. In AJM, what is the mechanism of removal of material from the workpiece? A corrosion, B abrasion, C electron transfer, D vaporization. The correct answer is abrasion. In abrasive water jet machining, how are the abrasives fed into the water jet stream? A suspension, B injection, C all of the mentioned, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. In the following properties of abrasive grains, which of them changes rate of material removal? A size, B strength, C shape, D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following components influence the material removal rate in abrasive jet machining? A nozzle, B carrier gas, C abrasive grains, D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following is not the feed mechanism of the abrasives in AWJM? A side feed, B cross feed, C central feed, D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is cross feed. In abrasive water jet machining, intensifier is used to deliver which type of pressure? A very low pressure, B low pressure, C medium pressure, D high pressure. The correct answer is high pressure. As the abrasive flow rate increases, what happens to the volumetric removal rate? A increases, B decreases, C. Increase and then decrease. D. Decrease and then increase. The correct answer is increase and then decrease. In the following properties of nozzle, which of them does not influence the MRR? A. Size. B. Wear. C. Outside temperature. D. Distance from workpiece. The correct answer is outside temperature. In AJM, abrasive jet from the nozzle follows which type of path for a short distance? A. Parallel. B. Inclined. C. Perpendicular. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is parallel. Which of the following material S cannot be used for making of nozzle in abrasive jet machining? A. Tungsten carbide. B. Steel alloy. C. Sapphire. D. Synthetic sapphire. The correct answer is steel alloy. What is the use of delivery system in the machining system of AWJM? A. To deliver colloidal solution. B. To pump water. C. To feed abrasives. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is to pump water. Of the following components, which one does not come under the machining system of AWJM? A. Water delivery system. B. Transducer. C. Cutting nozzles. D. Mixing chambers. The correct answer is transducer.